Ravi and Ajay grew up in the same street with the same dreams. Their parents were friends and neighbors. Both Ravi and Ajay had same struggles, same middle-class life, where every rupee mattered. Ravi and Ajay studied together and got into same jobs. Years later, both earned their first salary, full of excitement. Ajay chose lifestyle. Ravi chose discipline. Ravi started 5,000 rupees per month SIP investments, a small step that changed everything. Years passed, promotions came, salaries increased, but Ajay's expenses also grew faster than income. While Ravi stayed consistent, invested month after month. After 10 years, they met again. Ajay says, "Life is too bored for running in rat race. Salary is not sufficient for bills." Ravi shown his investment and said, "I didn't try to look rich. I decided to become rich." Ajay shocked by seeing such wealth. Both Ajay and Ravi, fathers, were hospitalized. Life tested them when they needed money the most. Ajay had no choice and borrowed money. Ravi used from his investments. 20 years later, the difference became life-changing. Ravi's wealth grown multiple, power of compounding. Ravi didn't just earn money. His money worked for him. Ajay remained chasing every month bills without any savings, emergency fund, and he was almost depressed. Ajay asked Ravi, "Is it too late for me?" Ravi smiled and said, "The best time was 20 years ago. The second best time is today." You can see huge wealth by giving market more time. Friends, the moral of story is, most of the people don't care about investing for future and for their family's future. They compare with others and try to be rich, spent all earnings on lifestyle to look rich. You will understand the importance of money when you get into worse times, and it will be too late, and no point in regretting that I should have invested early. Start your investments today. Investments are made more simple and safe with mutual funds in India. Write in comments with your name, city, and your email ID to help you open lifetime free mutual fund investment account from one of the leading mutual fund distributors in India. We will be more happy to help you with step-by-step process to create wealth for you and your family through mutual funds. Happy investing! Keep growing wealth.